is the ACER Chromebook Spin 512. Today we're going to unbox and get your Chromebook set up. First thing you want to do is cut along here. Open both tabs. You will find a 2-part power supply. You'll be putting those two together. You will find different little handouts and warranties. There. You have the Chromebook itself. Please maintain your packaging in case we have any issues and they need to be returned, or if there needs to be any repairs. So we have the ACER Chromebook. The nice feature in the left-hand corner, you will find your stylus. It's going to come in handy when you're in tablet mode or if you are in TP mode. On each side, and it's really hard to see, you will have a USB-C and a USB on both sides. You also have a power supply on the right hand side and a power button on the left hand side. You have a mic and there are 2 speakers, so we need to use for speakers. When you power it on, when you open it, it should power on automatically on your own. It says in the instructions to power, go ahead and plug it in first before you power it on. For the sake of the video, I am not going to. The very first thing it's asking is for your network password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my network password. Okay, then it will ask you to enter your Gmail password and your Gmail account. So we all have Gmail accounts. You're just going to enter your school email. And then your school password. Oh, that's interesting. I guess that must be what I am on. I've got Skyward down here in this corner right here, and you'll see this in your user manual. They're calling this the launcher. So in your user manual, this is just the beginning, very setup guide. In your user manual, they're calling this little button right here the launcher. So let's see what it's doing now. It's just kind of going through some things. So I've gone to the launcher, and then you can see right here I can type in some different things. Okay, that's the beginning of setting up your Chromebook. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please contact me and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.